Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Don't Say That channel. I'm so happy you're here with us today.
Hey there! Great to see you all again. Okay, Emily, I have a question for you.
Sure, go ahead.
What do you do every morning when your alarm rings?
Oh, that's easy. I get out of bed and then I get on my phone to check messages.
Wait, you get out of bed? Or get up from bed?
I said get out of bed. What's wrong with that?
Don't say that. Well, actually, get out of bed is fine, but native speakers say get up. And that's our topic today. Get up, get out, get off, and get on. These little words confuse everyone.
Oh, so I should have said I get up, not I get out of bed?
Exactly. And that's why this channel is called Don't Say That. We show you the mistake, then we teach you the fix.
I love that. Okay, so for those who don't know me, I'm Emily.
And I'm Jake. We're your hosts for Don't Say That, the podcast that makes real English easy.
By the end of this episode, you'll never mix up get up, get out, get off, and get on again.
That's a big promise, but we can deliver. These 4 phrases are everywhere in daily English.
Real quick, which one confuses you the most? Get up, get out, get off, or get on? Write it in the comments right now.
Seriously, take 5 seconds. We'll wait. Okay, got it? Good.
And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any episodes.
All right, let's fix these 4 little words forever.
Let's start with get up. This is probably the most common one.
What does it mean exactly?
Get up has 2 main meanings. First, to leave your bed after sleeping, to rise from a lying position.
So when your alarm rings in the morning, you get up.
Exactly. The formula is simple. Subject plus get up. I get up at 7. She gets up early. We got up late yesterday.
Give me more examples.
Okay. On weekdays, I get up at 6:30. On weekends, I get up around 9.
My brother is terrible at this. He never gets up before noon on Saturdays.
That sounds like my college days. Here's another example. I was so tired this morning, I couldn't get up.
What's the second meaning of get up?
The second meaning is to stand up from a sitting or lying position, not just from bed.
Like when you're sitting on the couch and someone calls your name?
Yes, exactly. He got up from the couch to answer the door. Or, please don't get up. I'll find the remote myself.
Oh, I love that second one. Being polite.
Right. Now let's talk about the negative form. Don't get up or didn't get up.
Give me an example.
I didn't get up until 10 this morning because I was sick. Or, don't get up. I can see the TV fine from here.
Listeners, can you make a sentence about your morning? Say it out loud right now. I get up at.
Did you say it? Good. Now write it in the comments too. I get up at 7 a.m. or I get up late on Sundays.
Quick tip. Get up is always about moving from a lower position to a higher position, from lying to sitting, from sitting to standing.
That's a great way to remember it. Up means higher.
So let's review section 1. Get up is for leaving your bed or standing up from a chair or couch.
Perfect summary. Now let's move to the next one. Okay, now let's talk about get out and get off. People mix these up all the time.
All the time.
What's the basic difference?
Get out means to leave an enclosed space. A room, a car, a building, a house.
So if I'm inside my apartment and I leave,
You get out of your apartment. If you're in a car, you get out of the car.
what about get off?
Get off means to leave a form of transportation that you stand on or sit on top of, not inside.
That's confusing.
Give me examples.
Sure. You get off a bus, a train, a plane, a bicycle, a motorcycle, a horse.
Okay, I think I see it. Inside a car, get out. On top of a bus, get off.
Exactly. Let me make it super clear. If you are inside something, car, taxi, elevator, room, you get out.
If you are on top of something, bike, bus, train, horse, you get off.
That's the rule. Let me give you real examples. I need to get out of this traffic. You're inside the car.
Another one, we got off the train at Grand Central Station. You were on the train, not inside it.
Perfect. Here's a funny mistake. Someone might say, I got off the car. Don't say that.
Don't say that, because you're inside a car. So it's I got out of the car.
Right. And the opposite mistake, I got out of the bus? Also wrong. You're on a bus, so it's I got off the bus.
Listeners, let's practice. Say out loud, I get out of my car every day. Now say, I get off the bus at Main Street.
Did you feel the difference? Good. Now write one sentence using get out of and one using get off in the comments.
First tip, think about space. Enclosed space, get out. Open surface, get off.
Second tip, vehicles you walk into. Car, truck, van, get out.
Third tip, vehicles you climb onto. Bus, train, bike, horse, get off.
Those are great memory tricks. Let's keep going. Now let's talk about get on. This is related to get off, but the opposite direction.
So get on means to enter a form of transportation that you stand on or sit on top of?
Exactly right. You get on a bus. You get on a train. You get on a plane. You get on a bike.
What about a car? Do you get on a car?
No, don't say that. You get in a car. Remember, enclosed space, get in or get into.
So the pair is get on and get off for buses, trains, planes, bikes.
Yes, and the other pair is get in and get out for cars, taxis, trucks.
That's so clear now. Why didn't anyone explain it like this before?
I know, right? Let me give you real-life examples. I get on the subway at 8 a.m. every day.
She got on her bike and rode to the park.
Please get on the plane now. It's about to leave.
What about get on for non-transportation uses?
Great question. Get on can also mean to make progress or to have a relationship with someone.
Like, how are you getting on with your new job?
Yes, or I don't get on well with my neighbor. That means I don't have a good relationship with them. That's a completely different meaning. Listeners, write that down. Get on with someone means have a good relationship. Let me give you one more. Get on with it means continue or stop wasting time.
Like, we don't have all day. Get on with your story.
Exactly. But for today, focus on the transportation meanings first. Those are the most common. Let's do a quick practice. I'll say a vehicle, you say get on or get in. Okay, go ahead.
Bus.
Get on the bus.
Car.
Get in the car.
Airplane.
Get on the plane.
Taxi.
Get in the taxi.
Bicycle.
Get on the bike.
You're really good at this. Listeners, how many did you get right? Write your score in the comments.
And here's a challenge. Write a sentence using get on for transportation and another sentence using get on with for relationship.
That's great homework. Let's move to common mistakes.
Okay, now it's time for mistakes. And trust me, we've made all of these.
Oh yeah, I remember once I said, I got off the car, and my native friend just laughed.
Yeah, don't say that. Mistake number 1, using get off for cars.
Wrong. I got off the taxi. Right. I got out of the taxi.
Wrong. She got off her truck. Right. She got out of her truck.
Let me explain why. Cars, trucks, and taxis are small, enclosed spaces. You are inside them, so you get out.
Mistake number 2, using get out for buses and trains.
Wrong. I got out of the bus. Right. I got off the bus.
Wrong. He got out of the train. Right. He got off the train.
Why? Because buses and trains are large. You walk onto them. You stand or sit. You are not fully enclosed like a car.
Mistake number 3. Confusing get up with get out of bed.
This one is interesting. Get out of bed is not wrong, but it sounds unnatural to natives.
Right, we say get up much more often. I got up at 7 a.m. sounds natural. I got out of bed at 7 a.m. sounds like you're describing a prison escape.
That's funny, but true. So use get up for mornings.
Mistake number 4. Forgetting the preposition completely.
Oh, this is so common. Wrong, I got the bus. Right, I got on the bus.
Wrong, she got her car. Right, she got in her car.
You cannot skip the preposition. Get up, get out, get off, get on. The preposition is the most important part.
Let's practice each mistake quickly. Listeners, see the correct version out loud.
Mistake 1. I got off my car.
Correct? I got out of my car.
Mistake 2. She got out of the plane.
Correct. She got off the plane.
Mistake 3. I got out of bed at 6 a.m.
Correct but unnatural. Better to say, I got up at 6 a.m.
Mistake 4. He got the train to work.
Correct? He got on the train to work.
Look, mistakes are normal. Even native speakers mess these up sometimes, especially with get off and get out.
Really? Native speakers too?
Oh, absolutely. Especially when they're tired or speaking fast. Don't feel bad.
The goal isn't to be perfect. The goal is to be understood. And you will be. All right, now let's test what you've learned. I'm going to give you some situations. You choose the correct phrase.
Love this. Okay, go ahead.
Situation 1. Your alarm rings at 6 a.m. What do?
A, get out. B, get up.
The answer is B. Get up. You get up from bed.
Situation 2. You're in a taxi and you've arrived at your destination. What do you tell the driver?
A. I'll get off here. B. I'll get out here.
B, get out. You're inside a car or taxi.
Situation 3. You're at the airport. The flight attendant says it's time to enter the plane.
A, get in the plane. B, get on the plane.
B. Get on the plane. You walk onto a plane.
Situation 4. You're riding a bicycle and you want to stop at a cafe. A, get off the bike. B, get out of the bike. A, get off. You sit on top of a bike, not inside it.
Situation 5. You're at a bus stop. The bus arrives. What do?
A, get on the bus. B, get in the bus.
A. Get on. Beautiful. You're getting it.
Last one. You're sitting on your couch watching TV. Your phone rings in the kitchen. What do?
A. Get up. B. Get out.
A, get up. You stand up from a sitting position.
Listeners, how many did you get right? Write your score in the comments.
And here's a challenge. Create a sentence using all 4 phrases. Something like, I get up at 7, get on the bus at 8, get off at work, and get out of the office at 5.
That's actually a perfect sentence. Try writing your own in the comments. We'll read them.
Remember, real conversation is better than perfect grammar. Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Wow, we covered a lot today. Let's quickly review what we learned about get up, get out, get off, and get on.
Number 1, get up is for leaving your bed or standing up. I get up at 7 a.m. Please get up from the couch.
Number 2, get out is for leaving enclosed spaces like cars, rooms, and buildings. Get out of the car, get out of my room.
Number 3, get off is for leaving transportation you stand or sit on top of. Buses, trains, planes, bikes. Get off the bus at Main Street.
Number 4, get on is for entering that same type of transportation. Get on the plane, get on your bike.
And remember the memory trick. Inside equals get out. On top equals get off.
That's it. 4 phrases, 4 clear rules.
If you remember nothing else, remember this. Up for bed, out for cars, off for buses, on for entering them.
That's a great summary. I'm writing that down.
So here's a question for you listening right now. Which phrase will you practice this week? Get up, get out, get off, or get on?
Think about your answer and then actually use it in a real conversation today.
Before we go, please like this video if it helped you. Share it with someone who's learning English too.
And subscribe to Don't Say That so you don't miss our next episode. We make learning English feel like talking to friends.
You've got this.
Seriously.
Get up, get out, get off, get on. They're not scary anymore.
Every mistake you make is just practice. Keep going, keep trying, keep speaking.
Thanks for spending time with us today. We really appreciate you.
Take care of yourself, and we'll see you right back here next time.
See you next time.